Hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone, and this is a really easy process, guys. Uh, Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, it will help me a lot. Now let's dive right into the video. What you need to do right now is to go to settings. So go to settings and tap on your account, on Apple account, right there. Now just scroll down and look for subscriptions. As you can see here, I have my subscriptions, and just wait. You might have to put your password or your security measures, whatever you want, or maybe your ID or your password, depends. Now these are my active subscriptions. This is just a trial, Skillshare trial, and you'll see down here you'll see here to cancel your subscription, but I already canceled my subscription. But yes, that's how you do it. It's super simple to cancel your Apple Store subscriptions, your store subscriptions, and it's super easy, guys. So it's really easy to cancel your iPhone subscription. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video. Take care.